One day, Timmy the toucan had an idea. Hey Sammy, let's visit the big waterfall at the end of the river. It's amazing. Loads of water splashing down and a rainbow in the mist. Sammy, the slow moving sloth, yawned and stretched. That sounds nice, Timmy, but it might take me a little while to get there. Timmy flapped his wings excitedly. No worries. I will race ahead and meet you there. But don't take too long, okay? Sammy chuckled. I will get there in my own time, Timmy. As Timmy zoomed ahead, Sammy slowly started his journey. He hung from branches one by one, each movement deliberate and steady. He paused to nibble a leaf, then took a long rest in the shed, savoring the cool breeze. Meanwhile, Timmy arrived at the waterfall in no time, soaring through the air with his wings spread wide. He perched on a rope and waited eagerly, looking out for his slow friend. Hours passed, but there was no sign of Sammy. Timmy began to feel a little impatient. Come on, Sammy, where are you? Just as he was about to take off again, he heard a soft rustling sound. Sammy appeared very slowly but steadily, inching his way closer to the waterfall. Timmy flew over, his wings fluttering. Sammy, you made it, he cheered. Sammy smiled lazily. It might have taken me a while, but I have had the best time. I noticed all the little things along the way, the flutter of butterfly wings, the soft sounds of the river, and the way the sun shines through the trees. Timmy blinked in surprise. I guess I missed all that. Sammy nodded. Sometimes it is the slow journey that lets you see the beauty you had missed if you rushed. They both sat by the waterfall, listening to the roaring water, and for the time, Timmy realized that some